Hi, Zoey. It's my dog. My dog, Zoey.
Exciting. Look at Aaron. Hey.
Zobbles. So delicious. Isn't she wonderful? Look at her.
Aaron, don't touch your face.
I should probably turn down the television. I don't care. Isn't she cute though? Yeah, that's Zoey. Zoey. Zobo! Wanna go for a ride? Yeah, she looks mad. But that's just Zoey. Oh, she's snoring and she's not even asleep, so she has fur all over her head. Well, she has fur. Yeah, you know what I mean. There's fur all over my hand. To get it to focus on my hand. Sorry. By the way, I videotaped this from my phone. Okay. That's my dog.